What's up, Real World PDR? Today we're going to do a one-take tansy tool review. Let's watch.
Hey guys, just wanted to talk a little bit about something that's simple. It's a knockdown. But here's where I want to recommend why you'd probably want to get one if you don't already have something. So nothing special about this knockdown. It's another knockdown. It's the new Tequila Bombers, I think they are, from Anson, PDR. I have Stead-on Dental. So here's the size difference between a regular knockdown and this knockdown. Okay, so you can see the difference. Now here's where the difference comes into. I'm always thinking ergonomically, health-wise, longevity of my body working. Whenever you're holding something this small for longer periods of time, this runs around and comes right here, goes through your wrist. Our wrists are vital in what we do. So what you'll notice is when you move your, if you look, you'll see everything's moving right here when you move this, okay? So the more you have to flex this in to hold this, the more strain you're putting on this tendon, this muscle, and then binds up your wrist, leads to injury, is what it is. But with this, you got a looser grip. That wider handle, that wider grip, there's not as much tension going on through this wrist. So I know for me, I still will use this a regular knockdown, but if I know I'm gonna be like really using a knockdown for quite a long time, I usually try to grab a girthier knockdown, and that's where this guy I think is gonna come into play. Nothing groundbreaking, nothing stupendous about this. Feels good, the grooves are good, it's got a good weight to it, it's not cumbersome, good head to hit, and can receive any tip you wanna put on it. So, but the thing I like is I don't have to clench down as tight to hold it. So I can have a wider grip and less messing up the tendons and stuff in the wrist that we use. So yeah, that's it. Take what you want from that. Or just go buy it and save your wrists.
Find the Tequila Bomber Knockdown at AnsonPDR.com. And frankly, most of the tools you see Hudson Tansey and myself, Jim Mitchell, using, you could probably find at AnsonPDR.com as well. If you get a chance, check out the Anson PDR app. It's pretty cool. And of course, RealWorldPDR.com has hundreds of PDR tutorial videos for you to watch and learn the art of PDR. Also, we have tool reviews just like this and discount codes from some of your favorite manufacturers.